Salut tout le monde, c'est Juste Gamer. On se retrouve aujourd'hui sur Street Power Football. Aujourd'hui, on va s'occuper plus du mode histoire qui m'a lancé directement. Je vais juste préciser qu'il y a un youtubeur qui
Salut tout le monde, c'est Vispo
a mis
Gamer.
son personnage dedans, qui a aidé le créateur
Street
à faire le jeu.
Power
Et je mettrai son lien dans la description.
Aujourd'hui, on va s'occuper plus du mode histoire.
Ou
Je
le nom
devrais
de sa
lancer
chaîne plutôt.
directement. Je voulais juste préciser qu'il y a un youtubeur qui a mis son personnage dedans et qui a aidé le créateur à faire le jeu. Et je mettrai son lien dans la description. Ou le nom de sa chaîne plutôt. Voilà.
What's up, bro? It's Sean here. Welcome to the Street Power Football Adventure. In this game mode, you will have to complete challenge around the world to try to become the Street Power King. But before we start, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I've always been obsessed with football, but most of all, with this ball. When I was little, my dream was to play in front of fanatic crowds in the biggest stadium in the world. When I was 12, I was recruited by the club that had the best training center in France, Agi Auxerre. I was lucky to rub shoulders with big name stars like Philippe Mexes, Djibril Cissé, and a legendary coach, Mr. Giroud. During my time at the club, I learned a lot of things. How to be more technical, run faster, what respect means, discipline, how to have the mindset of a winner. Unfortunately, I made the same fate as so many players me. I was seriously injured. Life is not always easy, you have to try to bounce back. That's what I was trying to do. I want to stick with this ball. I wanted my life to go around it. I wanted to share my experience with the next generation. It was time for me to take on a new challenge and to become a sports instructor. My life was a mix of regular football and my passion of teaching technical skills to the young players. I discovered that technical skills and tricks were more important to young players than the game of football itself. I decided to teach them things they never ever dreamed of, and that's when I realized the power of this ball. Being able to do tricks like that and really impress the young people around me and help me better understand their fascination. They thought the moves were really cool and they wanted to learn how to do them, so I challenged myself to become one of the best freestylers in the world. Here I'm training non-stop in the street of Paris, around the world, lower, upper, sit down, ground move. I practiced until I could do every move I could imagine. I wanted to become as complete as possible. Guys, you can't ever give up. Through hard work and dedication, I was able to reach a high level of skills that earned me a place in the first World Freestyle Football Championship in Brazil. I made it to the final where I was up against the favorite, a Japanese guy. This man was a samurai with the ball, but I didn't check it out. I went up on that stage, remember all the long hours of training that I had to spend on the street creating my own style. To win this competition, you had to be creative, original, have rhythm, but more importantly, you had to win over the judge and the crowd. That's why I kept my secret trick at the end, which was the pen trick. That day, I was named the first ever freestyle football world champion. After I won that competition, the whole world opened for me. I have traveled to over 80 different countries, but I've set myself new goals. I wanted to master the art of the pana, the trick shot, and the street football. In the game Street Power Football, you will be able to discover all these different aspects of street football. And if you want to become the Street Power King, you're gonna have to pass every challenge I'm going to throw at you. A lot of football players and fans
Bon bah,
say there is
c'est
no
parti
place
les
for
amis.
tricks on the field, but I challenge any of the biggest names in football to be able to do the magical things we can do with the
On
ball.
va regarder.
Bon bah, c'est parti les amis.
Oui, voilà, regarde, on vient de mettre le youtubeur qui était en train de parler actuellement. Ok, voilà, si son personnage. Et en troisième.
Où il est.
On a fait.
Voilà, on va quand même mettre le youtubeur qui est en train de parler actuellement, qui est voilà, c'est son personnage. On va mettre lui.
Tout le monde reconnaît cette musique. Hein. Sinon il faut dire oui. On a tous kiffé. Fauteuil.
Tout le monde reconnaît cette musique. Hein. Sinon il faut dire oui. On a tous
Welcome
kiffé.
to your first challenge in a place I really love because it's where I got started with freestyle, the court of Sarcelles. The city of Sarcelles live and breathe football. There are some great players who came through Sarcelles. There is Alain Goyol, the first player in the city who played for the French national team, Philippe Cristanval, who played for Barcelona, and of course there's Riyad Mahrez, who plays for City and who won the African Cup with Algeria in 2019. On a side note, I coached Riyad Mahrez when I was a sports instructor. Your playing field, the plaza in front of the Sarcelles shopping center. You will have to win street football game, freestyle and trick shot. Show me you've got the street spirit to move on to the next stage, okay?
Il est neuf, il craint le goudron, mais faut bien qu'il s'use un jour ce foutu ballon. Nous c'est la rue, lui a connu l'armoire, l'étagère et les carreaux du salon. Bon râle pas, ne fais pas ta crise, tu m'excuses. Tiens, allez, je te paye un Mr Freeze, un manque de citron et 4 colas. Tout est pardonné, j'ai droit à une belle accolade. Au fait, je crois qu'ils sont déjà au terrain les mecs dont bas. J'espère qu'ils l'ont gardé, car si ceux du marché l'ont pris, ça va barder. Vous captez pourquoi je dis tout le temps, faut pas tarder. Ah c'est bon, je vois personne avec eux.
Let's talk a little bit about street football mode. All the best players start out on the street, in front of their house, on concrete, in the favelas, in vacant lots. Sometimes even on the field using bags or t-shirts instead of goal. To be the boss of street football in this game is not just about winning, it's about playing with style. The whole point of street football is to stand out from the crowd, to be unique and to humiliate your opponents. But you won't be able to do it without the help of your teammates. It's very important for the whole team to be in sync, in the same frame of mind, to have a solid defense. The game offers a new playing mode called Street Power Football. What is it? Street Power Football lets you play 2-on-2 or 3-on-3, but the biggest innovation in this mode is that you can unlock superpowers. How does it work? Basically, you have to pull off more and more spectacular tricks and moves, and your power gauge will fill up, and then you will be able to unlock your superpowers. Different superpowers to discover, like a super shot that allowed you to shoot an unstoppable flaming ball, or a shield that makes you invisible to interception. It works a little like an RPG. In the game, you will have access to playgrounds all over the world. You will discover this spectacular location through the challenge that I will throw your way.
Bon, voilà, on apprend. Ouh, la flèche. Ok, je vais chanter.
Boa noite.
Bon, voilà, on apprend.
E aí, Hulk? E aí, DJ Cid? Tranquilão?
Ok, je vais chanter.
Ah, qual é, gata? Pô, vai ficar
Hop,
nessa.
hop, 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 hop.
Entra no Uber, vambora. Tá gostosinho, hein? Vem. Novinha, tu me desculpe, novinha, tu me desculpe. Hoje eu tô cheio de paixão, deixa eu te pegar no Uber. Novinha, tu me desculpe, oh novinha, tu me desculpe. Hoje eu tô cheio de paixão, deixa eu te pegar no Uber. Sou o MC do amor, quero te levar pro céu. O clima tava esquentando, fiz o Uber de uma gata. Se solta, hoje tu vai se envolver. Vem com o MC Chelly, que é só rajada de prazer. Vai gata, se solta, hoje tu vai se envolver. Vem com o MC Chelly, que é só rajada de prazer. Novinha, tu me desculpe, novinha, tu me desculpe. Hoje eu tô cheio de paixão, deixa eu te pegar no Uber. Novinha, tu me desculpe, novinha, tu me desculpe. Hoje eu tô cheio de amor, deixa eu te pegar no Uber. Tu viu que o piloto é bom, fechamento essa parada. Pode ficar à vontade, pensa que tu tá em casa. Tem bala, tem água, você pode escolher. Depois que namorar no Uber, nunca mais vai me esquecer. Tem bala, tem água, você pode escolher. Depois que namorar no Uber, nunca mais vai me esquecer. Novinha, tu me desculpe, novinha, tu me desculpe. Hoje eu tô cheio de paixão, deixa eu te pegar no Uber. Novinha, tu me desculpe, oi novinha.
En fait, c'est un peu l'état du ciel, genre pour tous les modes et tout, comment jouer.
En fait, c'est un peu l'état du ciel, genre pour tous les modes et tout, comment jouer.
The famous trick shot mode, it's all about precision, guys. Precision, it's very important in football. In trick shot mode, there are targets all over the playground. Your goal, be as accurate as possible when hitting them. But be careful, because time is running out, the clock is ticking, you're gonna have to be quick, smart, accurate, and figure out when you need to bounce the ball to hit your target. Like, you will also have to find hidden targets. For some targets, you will have to use crazy curve shot and the right amount of force. You will also need to perform drop shots or lobs to hit various objects in the background, such as trash cans, for example. So, you will need to use just the right amount of force, like a golfer, trying to get out of the sun trap, and that, my friend, is not gonna be easy. It's gonna take you few tries to make those drop shots.
Ok. Je vais juste les tourner gauche à droite. Hop, hop, voilà.
Ok. Je vais juste les tourner gauche à droite. Hop, hop, voilà.
And I want you to follow.
On a à gauche. On a à droite. Hop,
On a à gauche. On a à droite. Hop, et...
raté.
Taking over like friends, switching our styles like the hottest new dance.
Raté.
Taking over like friends, switching our styles like the hottest new dance.
On va essayer de la mettre. Ah, c'était pas ça.
Ok.
Ah, un petit peu plus fort.
On va essayer de la mettre.
Voilà. J'avais dit
Ah,
un petit peu
c'était pas ce gars.
fort. Bon,
Ah,
je crois qu'on va essayer
un petit peu
de
plus
faire,
fort.
celui-là.
Voilà.
Plus je le lève, plus haut.
J'avais dit un tout petit peu plus fort.
Ah, voilà, comme ça. Un petit peu plus fort.
Bon, je crois qu'on va rester longtemps sur celui-là. Plus je le lève
Je
plus
vais
haut.
arriver, je vais arriver. Oh, punaise. Pas facile, là.
Ah, voilà, comme ça. Un petit peu plus fort.
Non, elle était dedans, là.
Je vais arriver, je vais
Regardez
arriver.
comment...
Ah,
Oh,
punaise.
lui,
C'est pas facile, là. Non, elle était dedans, là.
tous les ballons qui nous voient sur le truc.
Regardez comment ça frôle, quoi.
Taking over like friends, switching our styles like the
Ah, et
hottest
tous
new
les ballons
dance.
qu'on voit sur le truc. Ah,
C'était rentré dedans, mais
Taking over like friends, switching our styles like the hottest new
Wow.
dance.
c'est toutes les balles qu'ils sont en train d'utiliser. J'essaye de viser.
non, vous avez vu ça. Tu fais rentrer dedans,
aussi
normalement.
la force.
C'est pas possible.
Plus de force, plus de force.
Waouh. Il y a toutes les balles que je suis en train d'utiliser, là. j'essaye de viser, hein, mais en fait, faut contrôler aussi la force. Soit on met plus de force, soit moins de force. On va mettre un petit peu plus.
Ah,
On va aller un petit peu moins.
je sens qu'on va rester longtemps sur ça.
Vous avez vu ça? Non, là c'est inaccessible.
Ah bah voilà, excusez-moi tout le temps, mais
Un petit peu plus.
c'est le temps que je
punaise.
m'habitue.
Je sens qu'on va rester longtemps sur ça.
Dans quelle langue je dois le mettre.
Ah bah voilà, excusez-moi pour le temps, mais
Quel niveau de force je dois tirer.
c'est le temps que je m'habitue
Si on devrait compter, ça
savoir
ferait
dans
beaucoup de
quelle
balles
langue je
qui
dois
auraient
le
pu
mettre,
jouer. En moins, allez, on va dire un
quelle
petit
force,
10.
à quel niveau de force je dois tirer. Là, si on devrait compter, il y aurait beaucoup de balles qui auraient été utilisées pour en moins, allez, on va dire un petit 10.
In a freestyle mode, you have to dance with the ball, listen to the music, be original, and win battle by putting pressure on your opponents. But my man, you have to manage your stress and your emotion so you don't get crushed. Choose your best trick combo and don't drop the ball to blow your opponent out of the water. Over the past few years, I have the pleasure of meeting freestylers who have created some crazy new moves. In the game, you are going to meet some of the world top freestylers and you will get inspired from them.
Ok, c'est parti. Alors l'icône trip atteint le cercle de cible. Un nouveau trip peut être effectué. Appuyez sur n'importe quel.
Ok, c'est parti.
Continue.
Alors l'icône trip atteint le cercle de cible. Un nouveau trip peut être effectué. Appuyez sur n'importe quelle touche. Continuez.
De frappe, tout est une question de rythme. Lorsqu'un cercle de frappe rejoint le cercle de cible, appuyez sur n'importe quelle touche.
De frappe, tout est une question de rythme. Lorsqu'un cercle de frappe rejoint le cercle de cible, appuyez sur n'importe quelle touche ou utilisez le trip gauche pour faire plus de points. Yes.
let's talk about Pana. Pana is like a boxing match. And what does the word Pana mean? Pana means little bridge in Surinamese. And getting Pana is the worst humiliation. In my first one-on-one tournament, I faced a professional football player in final. And you know what? I Pana him. At this moment, some TV interviewed me and it was the first time for me. And I understand at this moment the importance of Pana in the football culture. So watch out for nutmegs, man. Close your leg. When you nutmeg your opponent, you will be completely satisfied. You will score 2 points in normal Pana mode and you will eliminate them directly in Pana KO mode.
Boa noite. Vocês vão pro Leblon? E aí, Hulk? E aí, DJ Sidney? Tranquilão? Qual é, gata? Pô, vai ficar nessa. Entra no Uber, vambora. Tá gostosinho, hein? Vem. Novinha, tu me desculpe. Hoje eu tô cheio de paixão. Deixa eu...
My man, you passed the first stage in Sarcelles. You killed it. Guess what? For the second stage, I will see you in London. Let's go.
Bon bah, on va s'arrêter ici les amis. Et je continuerai le reste dans la prochaine vidéo, vous inquiétez pas, je vais regarder dessus.
Bon bah, on va s'arrêter ici les amis. Et je continuerai le reste dans la prochaine vidéo, vous inquiétez pas, je vais en
avec les gens que vous connaissez et tout.
Je vous dis tous de partager la vidéo.
Si
voilà,
vraiment,
excusez-moi, j'ai un petit bug vite fait. De partager avec les vidéos avec les gens que vous connaissez et tout, vos amis. De mettre un petit commentaire si vraiment la vidéo vous a plu.
Si vous voulez m'aider à avancer
même si
des conseils, allez-y.
Un commentaire.
Je suis preneur.
Force, gentil ou méchant.
Mettez un max aussi de
un conseil, il n'y a pas de souci.
Et n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à
Si vous voulez lancer sur YouTube en me donnant des conseils, allez-y.
Allez.
Je suis preneur.